Do you want this year to be that year where you both look and feel 10 years younger? Well, it all starts from the inside out. And today I'm going to be sharing with you the latest advancements in skincare and also some top wellness tips to really help you turn back that clock from the inside out. Stress is one of the biggest accelerators of aging. It causes inflammation, breaking down that collagen and aging our skin. And this is where Neurocosmetics come in. Now, Neurocosmetics are basically skincare products that contain both adaptogens and neuropeptides. Now, neuropeptides are superior to normal peptides because they communicate with our nerve cells, helping our skin act younger in many different ways. And adaptogens like ashwagandha will calm down those stress signals to your skin, calming down that inflammation and boosting collagen production. The thinking here is that your skin is the largest organ of your body. So when you're stressed, it shows up on your skin. So by calming down those stress signals, your skin will also rejuvenate and act younger. Now, if you want to try Neurocosmetics, some great brands to consider are ISDIN or CODIF. And if you want to go for something more natural, focusing on the adaptogen side, you can consider Cora Organics. And then make sure you're addressing your stress from the inside. And a really quick hack that my chiropractor taught me is doing 5 deep breaths when you wake up and before you go to sleep. This will calm down your nervous system, setting you up for the day and calming you down for the night. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging of our skin. So no news here, we want to use our sunscreens. But there is something new on the market. It's high-tech sunscreens, and these contain DNA repair enzymes like photolase. So not only do these sunblocks protect us from UV damage, but they also repair our skin cells for younger skin. A great product for this is HelioCare's 360 AK Fluid. It contains both DNA repair enzymes and antioxidants to really help support that skin. Now, here's for a pro tip. Always use a vitamin C serum with ferulic acid when you're in the sun as well, because these will really help further protect your skin from the damaging effects of the sun and also boost that collagen production. Did you know that your face has over 40 muscles? So just like your body needs to exercise to stay lifted and toned, so does your face. And doing facial exercises not only helps with this, but it increases your circulation, which boosts that collagen production, lifting and toning your face. Now, there's so many different facial exercise programs to choose from, and I would highly recommend you look into these, even on YouTube. But if you're looking for 2 simple exercises that will make a difference if you do these daily, you can do the following. So the first one is the big smile. This will lift your entire face, and you want to do it 100 times a day. And it looks like this. Now, the second exercise is for your jawline area and your lower face. And you'll also be smiling here, but looking upward. And it looks like this. And this you want to do for about a count of 30 on a daily basis, and it will really lift this lower area of your face. Now, sugar is not your friend when it comes to maintaining youthful skin. And this is because it binds to your collagen, making it stiff, which causes wrinkles of your skin. So make sure you're avoiding sugar as much as possible, candies, cakes, but also processed foods. They're very high in sugars. And instead focus on having a lot of berries and vegetables, which are high in antioxidants and will really support your skin. And the next tip is nothing new, but it's easy to use, it's cheap, and it really makes a difference. It's getting yourself a red light device to use at home. Now, this works on a cellular level. It boosts your collagen production. It reduces inflammation. It will tighten and firm your skin, and it can also brighten it. So get one, use it between 10 to 15 minutes a day, every single day, and you will see a big difference. Intermittent fasting is one of the best and cheapest weapons we have when it comes to anti-aging, both to how we look and how we feel. And this is because when we're in a fasting state, we go through something called autophagy, which is when our body rids itself of damaged cells, including our skin cells, so it can really transform our skin. So what you want to do is focus on not eating between 12 to 16 hours a day, and that gives your body the chance to relax and repair itself. And if you want to take it one step further, pair this with a healthy sleep routine, because when you sleep is the other time when your body really rests and repairs itself. So make sure that you have a consistent routine and that you're getting enough sleep, meaning that you wake up rested in the mornings. And to really improve your sleep, make sure that you're avoiding that blue light in the evenings from your screens at least 2 hours before bed, if not more. But what we really want to do is boost both our energy and our health on a cellular level, because younger cells means a younger you. Now, unfortunately, as we age, our NAD levels in our cells drop, and NAD basically gives our cells energy to act as young cells. Now, luckily, there are a couple of supplements that we can take to boost those NAD levels, boosting that energy in our cells, helping them act younger. And they're NR and NMN. Now, I actually took NMN for 90 days, and I was pretty blown away by the results. So to find out more about this and my routine, I would recommend you next check out this video here. Have you tried any of these hacks, or are you excited to try any of them? Please comment in the section below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for weekly tips on well-being and beauty.